You saw part 1 of Heavy Rain, so here's now part 2. I don't know if it's in the same place it was supposed to be, but I had to cut a little bit off my phone because the video was too long, so here you go. They're one happy family.
Yeah. They're like, 4 in a pack.
Yep.
Cause I know it's 4 because there's like Sean, Jason,
Mama, Daddy.
yeah. Like that.
Oh, I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
So is that how?
Watch here in a minute, it'll get crowded.
Boo. I couldn't find the plain ones.
Okay.
No, I couldn't find the plain ones. I found the peanut ones. Quit, boy. It's okay. Me, you shut up. It's okay. I couldn't find the plain ones. Hey, tell us what we mean to me.
Look.
Jason! Jason!
Jason!
Jason!
Jason!
Jason!
Where did he run off to?
He went the other way.
Jason!
I thought he went this way.
No.
This way?
Yeah.
I thought. Cause he's singing.
Yeah.
Jason!
Is that him down there? Don't even stop there, dude. Let me go see this side.
He went over by the balloons. I know that. Cause there he is.
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in
Please,
here.
Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here. Keep the change.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon. I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
In the closet. That's in the closet. Come on, babe. You gotta go sleep your sleep.
Which way did he go?
Jason!
I think he went that way.
He had to go somewhere.
Wait.
Jason! 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 Jason!
There he is.
Jason!
Didn't you just see him?
He's right over here.
Watch it! Jason!
God!
Jason!
It's crowded.
Hey, man, watch where you're going.
Jason!
Jason!
Damn! Get out of the way!
Jason! Jason!
Hey man, watch where you're going.
Crazy.
Jason!
I know it's somewhere outside.
The red glowing light on it should make it easier to spot.
Jason! Jason!
Hey man, watch where you're going. Hey man, watch where you're going.
Hey, be careful, right?
Which way? You know where you went?
Jason! Hey! Jason!
Who go?
It won't let me.
Hey man, are you nuts? What's your problem?
That's X.
Jason!
Hey, watch it. Hey man, what's your problem?
Hey, be careful, right?
Hey man, watch it.
Jason! Hey, what's the matter with you?
Hey man, watch it.
This is like the hardest one.
Hey man, are you nuts? What's your problem? Jeez, God, you really had me scared there. Hey man, watch it, dude.
Oh God, no, 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 no. Get out of my way, get out of my way. I want my son.
Hey man, watch it.
Get out of my way.
Jason! Jason!
Hey man, watch it, dude.
Jason!
Pause it, pause it, pause it. Hey guys, that's it for right now. We'll post the other part in just a sec. See ya.